Meanwhile, the mother of two sons who perished in the fire said she only knew about the tragedy yesterday morning. She was informed about the incident by her sister, whose son also died in the tragedy.
Last saya jumpa masa hari Rabu yang kemarin ni lah. Dalam pukul 7.50 saya hantarkan baju yang bersih untuk diorang. Saya collect baju yang kotor lah. Sepatutnya hari semalam memang diorang kena hadiri bacaan Yasin ke rumah PM. Tapi ada permintaan dari anak nombor 2 saya tu. Dia minta belikan Al-Quran. Yang anak nombor 2 saya tu, yang anak nombor 3 yang bungsu tu minta belikan Iqra.
8-year-old Askar Darimi F. Zaska and his brother Askar Abidi, 11 years old, were among 23 who perished in the early morning blaze at the religious school yesterday. Their cousin, 11-year-old Muhammad Afiq Hakimi Hairul Izwan, was also killed in the tragedy.